Friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer crashes on a right click on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So the first thing you want to do is just simply right click on your Windows icon on your taskbar, and you want to go to Task Manager. Here you want to go ahead and you want to ensure that you click on the processes, and you want to look for the File Explorer here. So once you go ahead and find it, you can simply click on it and you can restart the task manager. You can also go ahead and right click on it as well, and you have the option to restart it. So go ahead and click on restart. You'll realize a little dim in your Windows screen here, and your taskbar will disappear for a couple seconds, and then you want to go ahead and try it again to see if it actually works. Now, if you're still facing issues, I want to recommend that you check for updates on your Windows PC. So what you want to do, right click on your taskbar again, guys, go to your settings, and from here you want to go to the left hand side where you have the Windows update, and just check for updates to see if your computer have the latest update. If it's not, I recommend that you update your Windows computer to ensure that you have the latest updates on your PC. Depending on how much updates you have, guys, it might take some time, so you just need to be patient there. As you can see here, in my case, it's currently updating, and now it's completed, and I have one new update there. So you want to restart your PC afterwards and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if you're still facing issues, go ahead and try this method. Click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and type in CMD. You want to right click on this and run it as administrator, guys. You'll have a pop-up, click on yes. Then from here, you simply want to go ahead and type the following command: SFC space / scan now. Go ahead and run this, and it's going to take some time. You want to allow this to run and complete. So once this is completed, I would recommend that you restart your computer and see if that actually solves the problem. Now, for the time being, I'm going to allow this to complete the process, and in your case, go ahead and try this, and let's see if that issue actually solved the issue for you. Here you can see, guys, I'm just about to reach 95%, and as you can see that it's about to finish now. Once this is finished, guys, if it finds any problem, it will go ahead and it will fix the problems for you. If there is no problem, it will let you know. However, I want to recommend that you restart your PC, and if you're still facing issues, you want to go ahead and try this last method. Go ahead and type in DISM space / online space / cleanup with a dash with the image. So you have cleanup image space / restore health. Go ahead and hit enter, and you want to wait for this to complete. It will take some time as well, but I can guarantee you that once this is completed and you restart your computer, this should in fact fix the issue for you. So go ahead and try this out, and I wish you all the best that the issue will be solved. As you can see, mine, it's currently about 5%. Now, depending on the PC that you have, the speed and so forth, this will take some time to complete. But go ahead and try this out, then restart your PC and see if that actually fixes the problem for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.